If we want to compare complex custom objects in Java, we have to use what's called a comparable or a comparator. Now, these are actually, their jobs are doing the same thing, but the overall setup is going to be different, and that's what I'm going to explain here in the next couple of smaller videos here. But if we just had a data type that was simple, where we could just do a less than or a greater than, then we would do that. But again, in our custom objects, we might have some honestly interesting items on exactly how to compare, as I mentioned in the previous one, by first name and last name, by GPA, by income. These are all things that we have to worry about. So we have to compare or order by our objects by a certain criteria. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to just pick certain parts that we know that we're going to need to compare that we want for our overall setup here. And there's different ways of comparing strings as integers that we talked about already before that we'll have to keep in the back of our mind as well. So we'll get into more detail of both of these here in a moment.